Hello everyone, this video is about how to hide apps onto the Android phone. But before we go into the process, I would like to request you kindly to subscribe to this channel so that you can get more of such content onto this channel. To talk about how to hide apps, to most of the latest versions of Android, they do hold that feature within the system of hiding apps. So if you want to check it out, you just go into your settings and type hide apps so that you can check out whether your phone holds that feature, mostly to the latest versions of Android. So this video is mainly for those who don't have that feature inbuilt into their system. Yeah, you onto the right video. So let's get into the process. The app that we're gonna use is called the app hider app. I've tried a couple of launches, but they don't do it very well. They just change the operating system of the phone, but they don't hide the apps. So this is called the app hider app. We're gonna get it from the Play Store. So you get into the Play Store and type app hider real quickly. Then it's gonna load. Then when you reach over here, you tap the app hider app. You see the red box. Tap install. So over here you just tap open, since now the app is installed onto your system. Then over here within the app hider, just accept everything so that it can run onto your phone. Now for the process of hiding an application onto this application, let's say you're gonna hide the TikTok application. Within the app hider application, you just need to tap the plus icon, then tap the app that you want to hide. Automatically it will be launched into the app hider application. Then to totally hide it, you need to go back into your system onto your phone, then uninstall the application, and that's how you'll be able to hide that application within the app hider application. Thanks for watching the video. I hope to see you next time.